end of one of our services. We hope to see you soon at New Bethel Sounds of Praise, where it's all about Jesus.
We welcome you to join us as we impact the kingdom of God through unfeigned, unwavering, and perfecting faith at our New Year's Eve service on Friday, December the 31st, starting at 10 p.m. We would love for you to start your New Year's with us. We're located at 501 Grayback Road in the Jetburg section of Summerville, South Carolina. If you need further information, contact us at 843-875-4564. Come worship with us as we give thanks for 2010 and as we stand in expectation for great things in 2011. On behalf of our Apostle Alan H. Simmons and the elect Lady Jan Simmons, we hope to see you there. And remember, it's all about Jesus.